In this short tutorial, you will learn how to fix the green light on your Android phone screen and get your phone screen back to normal. It can be quite frustrating to see a green line running across your screen, but fortunately, there are some simple steps you can take to resolve this issue. Firstly, one possible solution is to restart your phone. This may sound like a basic trick, but it often works wonders. Simply press and hold the power button until the restart option appears on your screen. Tap on it and wait for your phone to reboot. Sometimes a simple restart can fix minor software glitches, causing the green line issue. If restarting doesn't solve the problem, try checking for any pending software updates. Outdated software can sometimes lead to display issue. To do that, open up the Settings app on your Android device, then scroll down to the very bottom and tap Software Update or a similar option depending on your phone model, and then tap Download and Install. If your phone has update available, download and install it, and hopefully that will fix the issue. If you still have that green light even after the update, then you need to reset your device. To do that, tap on the search icon at the top right, and then search for Reset. Tap Factory Data Reset. Tap on it to reset your phone to its factory default settings. One thing to keep in mind is that when you do a factory data reset, it erases all data including files and downloaded apps. If restarting, updating, or resetting don't work, it's possible that the issue lies with the faulty hardware component. In such cases, it's best to contact a professional technician who specializes in phone repairs. They will be able to diagnose the exact cause of the problem and provide you with appropriate solution or repairs. So that wraps up this tutorial. If you have any question about this whole process, please let me know in the comment section below. And if this video helped you out, please give it a big thumbs up and subscribe to this channel for more tutorial videos like this one.